welcome back. The time now is 5:47 on this Wednesday morning. I'm meteorologist Jeremiah Stewart coming at you this morning with the name of the game. Tracking a couple of isolated showers in my forecast, primarily for this afternoon throughout this evening. And they should stay into the Permian Basin, into some of those higher terrains, places like Marfa and Alpine. By the weekend, we're all dry, going to be hot under mostly sunny skies. Should be a beautiful weekend across West Texas. And looking ahead to next week, we'll start to see what seems like hadn't happened yet. You know, most summers we get into that triple-digit heat pattern, and I think next week we will start to see that happen here in West Texas. Unfortunately or fortunately, depending on how you look at things. Out over downtown San Angelo, looking very different compared to yesterday morning. Dry roadways, mostly clear skies out that way, with temperatures into the 70s, but it is sticky. That dew point into San Angelo right around 71. A little bit less sticky off towards our west into the Permian Basin. Dew points in the 60s, right around 68. Through Midland and Odessa. And actual air temperatures fairly uniformly into the 70s this morning, right around 72 into Odessa, 75 in Midland, Robert Lee at about 72, and then Coleman sitting at about 73. Now looking at those rain chances for the next couple of days, they're not going to be very bullish, but they are there. About a 10 to 20% coverage for this afternoon through this evening, primarily into our higher terrains and off towards the Permian Basin for today. We'll see another flare-up tomorrow. I think tomorrow we'll see a better coverage, maybe up to a 10 to 20% coverage. Some of those could be heavy off towards our higher terrains for our Thursday afternoon. But after that, we're looking hot and dry as we go into the weekend. And also starting to see humidity drop a little bit as we go into Friday as well. Thanks to this high pressure, going to try to bring in some winds out of the north and west for a change as we go into Friday and Saturday. So that should dry out our air mass back into some 40s and 50s with our dew points. We can see that looking at Friday at 7:30, our muggy meter for then. Some 30s and 40s into the Permian Basin and 50s and 60s. By Saturday and into Sunday, though, we kind of inch up day by day. By Saturday afternoon, we're into the 40s, 50s, and 60s. And on Sunday, some spots will get back into those 70s for dew points. So really nice on Friday in terms of the feel, but by Sunday, we'll start to soup right back up here in Western Texas. Today, though, forecasting highs to be hot, right around 101 into Pecos, to about, say, 92 into Winters, 93 into Abilene, and San Angelo at about 94 today. And my weather impact 7-day forecast for Abilene and San Angelo, looking at lower 90s for today, middle 90s for the weekend, and upper 90s for next week. In Midland, Odessa, fairly similar, except I am forecasting triple digits as we go into next Monday.